Hey guys, you like the snow? Yeah. McKenna, say hi. Hi.
Okay, ready? Yeah. Okay, it's gonna be cool. Mom, look at me.
Whoa! Good job.
Yep.
Keaton, honey, your snow pants are not pulled over your boots. Snow's going to go all in your legs like that. You going up the hill?
No.
No?
No, hurry, Mom.
Wow, McKenna, you're up in the clouds. You're doing it, Keaton. Oh, no. How are you going to get down? I'm going to have to come and get you. Careful. Careful.
Come on, Keaton, you can do it.
No, I don't want her going up too high. That's good. Because her snow pants are not tucked in her boots.
Come on. Grab my hand.
That's high enough. Keaton, that's high enough.
Slide down. I'll go right here so you can feel. Okay, go over there and slide. No. It's fun. Here, I'll help you.
Hey, I don't want her going to the other side. Good job. What, honey? I can't go up there because Mommy sinks. You guys are lighter. You can walk on the snow. As soon as Mommy steps in there, I fall in. McKenna, pull that hat down over your ears. All the way on. It's time to go. It's time to go in. I'm frozen. Keaton, you can't go that way. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I've never seen so much snow in my life. Time to go in, girls. McKenna, time to go in.